guys, so this is Beyond Damage Jado back with another video. I know this is too late to make this video, but I wanted to make this more fun. So enjoy the video, Gravity and Relativity. Now you might be wondering, why are these pictures in the first frame? Are they related to one another? If you think that they are related, then you receive 3 gold stars as you're correct. Let me answer that question. These pictures are related to a type of force. Now some of you might be wondering, what is a force? Well, a push or a pull on an object is called force. You see, I've made this picture, or you can say I pasted this picture, which, by the way, is showing force. Now I'm not going to spend time to tell where is the force, as you can see it plainly. Now, moving on, let's rewind to the second frame of the frame set. I said it was a type of force. So guess which type of force it is. 10 seconds start now. Okay, time's up. Let me tell you the answer. The type of force was gravitational force or just gravity. You can see I pasted this clip art of the solar system. You can see this orange circle is the sun, and all the other circles are planets. Even though Uranus and Neptune have misplaced themselves, but that's nothing to worry about, as we just want to explain gravity through an image. Now some of you might be wondering, what is gravity? Well, gravity is one of the universe's basic forces. Every speck of material or matter, from a single atom to a whole galaxy, has gravity. This force attracts or pulls towards it. The more atoms an object has, and the larger these atoms are, the greater its mass and gravity. Just like you can see here, the sun has more gravity than, all the other planets. As it is larger. It is larger than all the other planets. The further you get from an object, the weaker its gravitational pull. Just like you can see here. Let's imagine this is Neptune, okay? This orbit is making Neptune slow. Now how? You can see its revolution time takes 165 years if you have watched the solar system video which I had made, or if you have watched any other video of the solar system. Now let's rewind to the beginning of the frame set. If you've noticed this picture and might be wondering that, how is archery related to gravity? If you thought that, then you receive another 3 gold stars. Well, let me answer that question. When aiming an arrow, you have to allow gravity to make a curve down slightly before it hits the target. You see, this man is aiming at the target and hitting the bullseye. Why? As he's, just pointing the arrow upwards so that gravity can take action on it and bullseyes happen. Now, let's rewind to the 18th frame of the frame set. I said the more atoms an object has and the larger these atoms are, the greater its mass and gravity. And you might be wondering, how is weight related to gravity? Well, gravity gives objects weight. In space, where Earth's gravity is extremely weak, objects are almost weightless. This causes objects and people to float around. You may have seen many movies related to space where the astronaut, goes to space and, when they go out of the rocket, they feel light as a feather. Now let's rewind to the beginning of the frame set. If you've noticed this picture and might be wondering that, how do rockets escape Earth's gravity and enter space? If you thought that, then 2 gold stars again you received. To go into space, a rocket must break free of Earth's gravity by reaching a speed known as the escape velocity. Near Earth's surface, this is 11.2 kilometers, which is 6.9 miles per second. Now, let's rewind to the beginning and 14th frame of the frame set. If you've noticed these pictures and might be wondering that, what are the effects of gravity? Well, let me answer that question. Our body's gravity pulls objects towards us, but this gravity is too weak to notice in everyday life. Earth is so big that we can't help but notice its gravitational pull. It pulls nearby objects so powerfully that they continue to stay on its surface. Earth's gravity extends into space and keeps spacecrafts, satellites, and the moon moving around it. The sun's huge gravity pulls all the planets, asteroids, comets, and other objects in orbit around it. If you have seen images of black holes, and might be wondering that, what are black holes? Is it more than just a hole that is black and can swallow anything? If you thought that, then you receive another 3 gold stars. In a black hole, both space and time bend or curve around a massive object that pulls them towards it with this gravity. It is explained by the idea of relativity. Now, let's rewind to the last frame that we just saw. I said that both space and time bend or curve around a massive object that pulls them towards it with this gravity. Now, some of you might be wondering that, how can there be curved space? Well, scientists regard gravity as a result of space being bent or curved. Space with an object has straight lines like graph paper. A massive object, like a planet or star, alters this and makes space curve towards it. A smaller approaching object follows the bent lines and moves towards the massive object. This is another way of saying that the massive object's gravity pulls a smaller object to it. The idea of curved space is part of Einstein's theory of relativity. Now let me tell you that there is something weird with relativity. You're wondering that, what is weird about relativity? Well, time, space, size, mass, and other features are relative. They change according to the speed and position of them. Second, gravity is the result of space as well as time being curved due to massive objects. Time slows down near a massive object. The faster you move, the slower time passes. Just like if you would enter a black hole, it might be 24 hours for you, but it might be 5 billion years for everyone else. The faster you move, the shorter you get in the direction of the movement. Only the speed of light is not relative. This stays constant, means the same everywhere in the universe. Thanks for watching. Hope this was fun. Let me quick question. How many stars have you collected? Drop it down in the comment section below. Like, share, subscribe, and comment on what videos would you like next. Bye and have a great day.